Hey YouTube, this is Paul the Death Scouter making another video for Jeep repairs. Working on my 2013 Jeep JK, and I am going to be replacing my windshield wiper motor and linkage. And it all comes as one kit. I got a good price online, $120 with free shipping. Life is good. And show you what we're going to need for this. So far appears to be only 3 tools. But I'm sure 10mm is going to function its way in here at some point. But I have a T30 Torx. There you go, little star head. I have a 6-point half-inch socket, and I have a tool for popping out these little push rivets that Jeep uses on pretty much every dang thing. So we're going to start by lifting off this little plastic cover, and you just reach underneath here and give it a pull, lifting it upward. Just see how it's kind of hinged like that. You get this cover off and you'll expose this half-inch nut. I tried a 12-point ratchet and socket, and it started to roll. 6-point, highly recommend it. Take this off, lift the windshield wiper so that the spring tension is not against the windshield, and just grab this and start wiggling, and it will come off of these splines. So you see those splines there are pretty much what holds it in place. Do this on both sides, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our rivet popping tool, and we have 4 rivets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I left this one in here just so you'd see where they come from. Pop these little these little Christmas trees or whatever you want to call them. Get them out. And then over here, I hate to move the camera too much, get you guys seasick, but there are 2 screws on each side of the cowl, T30s. And when we get those off, we should be able to just lift this out of the way. Okay, so once I took the 4 screws out and these 4 push pins, the cowl just lifted right off as I expected. And our last obstacle here is to take off this grate that actually serves as a protector for the wiper motor. And one end of it is here, goes into it's got a little tongue that goes into this slot. But the other side here is where the business end, that's what locks it down. And it too is just put in place, held in place with the Christmas trees or the push rivets. Now, you could try to get up underneath here and get to these push pins, but you know what I did? I simply went underneath the cowl itself and lifted, and it popped right up. So, okay. There we go. That's it. So I got underneath there and just lifted up. Looks like I got a little bit of, there you go, the plastic flexes a little bit. To get that over, and then it's just a matter of, should be just a matter of pulling it out, and it is. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? All right, and then as with all things Jeep, electrical connections have got these plastic clips. You need to pull them up like that in order to unlock. Push down on the tab and start wiggling your connection off, and it comes right off just like that. There you go. So what I'm looking at now is a mounting bolt on this side and a mounting bolt on that side. I'll bet my next paycheck that that's a 10mm, and we'll see if I can get that out. Okay, so after I was correct, those are 10mm screws. And so this is out. Now I'm just going to put the new one in. Everything's going to go back in reversed order. So I'll put the new one in place, replace these 10mm nuts, plug the electrical connection back in, put the shroud back on, replace the push pins, put the cowl on, replace the screws and the push pins, and I'm done. So the funny thing about this repair, and if I hadn't been stopping to make this video, I'd only be maybe 10 minutes into this thing. The Quadratech website lists this as a 3-hour repair difficulty level 3 or 4. I don't know what guy was smoking crack when he came up with that, but this is a very easy repair, especially now when you know what to do, right? So 1/2 inch, 10 millimeter, T30, and some kind of tool to pop out your push pins or your Christmas trees, and you're good to go. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I'm the Death Scouter. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Anything that I can do to help other people make money, save money, or fix their Jeep, that's what you find on my channel, including, you know, I got some really cool financial advice videos too, because I like doing that as well. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to those comments and subscriptions.